The Avengers. That's what we call ourselves. Earth's mightiest heroes.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Hey everyone, so I'm coming at you from the Rev Garage. That's our old YouTube channel, Rev It Up 92, Team Rev. When I used to ride motorcycles before the sad knee accident, but is what it is. Now we do comics themed YouTube stuff on the Comics Lounge. Now, I ran into a bit of a dilemma. And that dilemma was I didn't have enough space. And we're looking at the shelves that I'm building for my short boxes. I've got about 7 or 8 of them now. One is independent, one is DC. The rest are all pretty much Marvel. And I mean, I need something to put them on. Someone's going to support them. So I decided to build something using 3/4 inch plywood. I'm doing each shelf about a foot above the last, and doing 3 shelves with how short the basement is. And then on each shelf I'm doing a little bit of an Easter egg type of thing. First one's going to have the Spider-Man logo with blue and red on the sides. This one's going to end up having, once the blue dries, a Captain America star, possibly the shield. It's not going to be easy. And the other one's just going to be plain old flat white. So 3/4 inch plywood, 1 sheet of it. I did 3 2x4s cut to the length. Each shelf is about 24 inches wide, minus obviously the sides here. So the shelf ends up being 16.5 inches wide, just enough for 2 short boxes to sit comfortably next to each other. Then you have some 1x2s to put middle supports in, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it. So enjoy, and enjoy the end product too. Whoa, careful. This is what's happening right now. Are you hiding Daddy's screws back there? the somewhat finished project. This is phase 1. This is where we can actually start putting stuff on top of this. Very proud of what I've accomplished in simply 4 hours, 5 hours. Someone actually suggested that I should sell these, and that it would be great for apartments. And again, this can hold 8 short boxes. I could make ones that could hold long boxes, but here you go. And yes, I have been watching Forge and Fire while I've been doing it. A few touch-ups on the paint here and back there. It was a little wet when I was cutting those grooves out. All in all, turned out very well. All that's left is to coat these with comic books, old comics, ones that are either in free books or 50-cent pins that just have no meaning or value except for reading, and they kind of serve their life. So, not going to put anything on here. This was actually a last minute decision. I didn't think I'd be able to fit a box here and have something up here. So I'm glad that this was able to do a 4th shelf. All in all, material wise, I'm into it about $100 with the paint, the wood, the nails, or screws, sorry, and just definitely enjoying it. Had a friend cut out a spider and just kind of sprayed around it to get a kind of ink blotchy pattern. Not too special, but not too crude. And then did white on the bottom. So red, white, and blue. But all in all, turned out really well. Very proud of the work that's come out of this. Definitely a lot better than I thought it was going to be. And thanks for lounging with us. Have a great day.